Okay. I asked what they teach you at the academy for rep and retention, and it's gravel. All right, right. One hand. All right. I've seen two hands. You've seen this one. Okay. This is obviously better than that. All right. I've seen this. Go ahead. Grab on. All right. I've seen this. All right. But we were talking the other day, the people that go for your weapon are either EDP, right? And they go straight for your weapon, right? And or somebody who just wants to survive, doesn't want to go to jail. They don't generally go straight for your weapon. And I'm not saying to underestimate anybody, but what they're doing as they're going for the weapon, they're beating the shit out of you at the same time. Okay, EDP going straight for the weapon because they know that's the most violent thing. All right, just violent individual beating you, to death as they pull it out. What happens, even with today's safety rigs, is most of the time the actual holster comes off the belt, right? It's very difficult unless, it's very difficult to pull the guns right out. But it's not difficult to rip this through the belt or rip the belt off, right? And there's where the real problem lies. So when we talk about, just put your hand on the weapon, right? When we're talking about securing this, and in fact, let's do this right now, right? Bill has a good solid grab on here, right? I'm gonna hold this in my holster as hard as I can. Go, pull it out. Keep on, come on. Hit me with your hand. Okay? You're being nice. Violently get it out. Go ahead, get it. Okay? Not happening. All right? Double hands, even worse. All right, go ahead. See? All right? Even worse because just hold on to this real quick. And when I did this, I had no chance on this side. All right? You saw me, got me good shot in the face.
Did I?
And it's okay because that's what happens. This is ridiculous. Okay? So what we're going to talk about doing is there's actually 3 schools. Well, actually, there's 2 schools of thought on this one. All right. I'm gonna let Carl handle the other one because it's more along his lines, and that has to do with they take your gun out. Well, you ever seen the holsters that have the knife in them also?
No.
Yeah. Well, this is what we're talking about. They take the gun out and you pull the knife. Okay, and you know what happens then. Let Carl handle that. All right. What we're gonna talk about is go ahead, put your hand on here. All right. We've been doing whizzers all day. All right, and overhooks. Same thing. What you need to do instead of coming up here with a whizzer is coming in here and popping the wrist through. Take it out. Take it out. Okay. I have this whole hand. All right. We're still doing it. It's still in my holster. All right. He's been yanking it. All right. The holster's not coming off because I have here. His wrist has to be popped though. It can't be. All right. I'm just holding it. It has to be popped through. Okay. I have this now with this other hand. Obviously, I can be doing whatever I need to get. Okay, so let's talk about different ways to finish this off. Actually, switch it up. Chris, come here.